Hi, I'm Russell, a GTM at Clippy. Welcome to my GTM automation guide. Now, most lead gen agencies build their leads on LinkedIn, burning through hundreds of dollars every month on Sales Navigator. I'm about to show you how you can automatically get 100 LinkedIn leads for free using an end-to-end workflow I've built. The best part, it'll only take you 5 minutes to set up. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete system that will bring you hundreds of leads every day without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. So here's how it works. All you need to do is type in the description of leads you'd want to search for. I'm going with lead gen agencies in the United States. Paste. Now you can type in many things like industries, titles, location, even companies. That all depends on your target audience. And it's done. 100 leads in just one description. Now I'll show you how to set it up. The setup is simple. To get started, let's first rename this workflow. LinkedIn leads generator. Okay, then we're going to import our template file. All those resources will be in the description below. Then our workflow will appear right there. How our workflow will work is basically it will scrape LinkedIn profiles from Google custom search. Then we'll enrich those profiles, and then we'll add them into Google Sheets. All you need to do is to configure the scraper. The tool we'll use to enrich the data, and then you just connect your Google Sheets. Then the first thing we'll do is basically we'll configure Ghost Genius. Ghost Genius is a tool that I'm using to basically enrich our LinkedIn profiles. Log in, sign up and log in, and then you'll get to this page. In this page, create an API key. Type in the name, so create. Then copy the key, head back to the workflow, open up this node right here, and then scroll down. Under this next to barrier, paste in your key. Make sure that there's a gap in between barrier and key. Next, we're going to configure the custom Google search. Head over to the programmable search engine. The link will be in the description again. Click on add, then type in your name, LinkedIn scraper. Then in what to search, type in linkedin.com/in. Type in this URL so that we'll limit the search to just LinkedIn profiles. Click on add, and then also enable safe search to filter out inappropriate searches. Save, then click on customize. Copy the search engine ID here, head back to your workflow, open up this node, scroll down until you see the name CX, paste in the value, and then for the key, we're going to configure in another website. So open up your Google Cloud Console, navigate to create a project if you don't have to, then navigate to API and services. Under that, head over to credentials, then click create credentials, API key. There, now that you have a new key, copy that key, then head back to the workflow, paste it right under the value of key. Then configure your Google Sheets. Connect with your Google account, and the setup is pretty much done. And that's it. Press save, then activate it. Then click on the chat. Make this publicly available. Make sure that that one's enabled. Head back, copy this URL link, open a new tab and paste it. And now you have your complete system right there. And that's it. If you're interested to learn more workflow automations like this one, subscribe to our newsletter. See you in the next one.